There are many products available to choose alarm clocks, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best alarm clocks from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Jall Digital Alarm Clock. The Jall Digital Alarm Clock made our list for the best digital alarm clock because it has the ability to program and save up to 3 different alarm times. And that came in clutch during testing when our week included both working from home and commuting to work as well as days off. While this basic alarm clock doesn't feature smart connectivity or bonus phone charging, the digital screen clearly displays the time and shows a bell icon indicating that the alarm is indeed activated. We think this pick is a good choice for those looking for a fairly basic alarm clock that also looks nice. Number 2. DreamSky Digital Alarm Clock. For less than $20, we were shocked this alarm clock comes with so many features, including one that some of the most expensive, teched-out alarm clocks on this list don't have: blackout functionality. This digital screen has a dimmer that goes all the way down to 0%. Making it perfect if you're sensitive to light, because these LED numbers are super bright. And if you don't like white light, there are 5 other color variations you can buy. The 2-inch numbers are also huge and fill up the entire screen, making this a great choice for those with vision challenges. Another handy feature, the back of the clock is outfitted with 2 USB ports, one for plugging the alarm clock into the wall and a bonus port for charging a smartwatch, e-reader, and more. We especially liked the compact size of this clock, as it could easily be packed in a suitcase or overnight bag. Number 3. Hatch Restore. This isn't just an alarm clock, it's a complete overhaul for your bedtime routine and sleep hygiene with sound machine settings, ambient sunset lighting to lull you to sleep, gradual sunrise lighting to gently wake you up, and personalized customizations for synchronized alarm sounds, lights, and times. And despite the plethora of options, the clock design is uncluttered and perfect for the minimalist, thanks to the easy-to-use Hatch app, though we noticed that only one phone app can be paired with a Hatch device, making it annoying for couples to share control of the alarm settings. Any sunrise alarm clock will feature light as part of the alarm system, but the Hatch goes further with ambient lighting, a reading light, and subtle sunset lighting that helps you unwind at night too. During our at-home tests, we loved seeing the gentle orange glow and hearing soft rain sounds while reading before bed. Number 4. Winshine Touch Wake Up Night Light. While we love the Hatch, the price tag is steep. However, we found the Winshine Touch Wake Up Night Light to be just as effective in the morning, and had a perfect score for value of features for the price. At about the size of an Amazon Echo, this lantern-shaped sunrise alarm clock will mimic the gradual light increase of the sun 30 minutes before a set alarm goes off. This feature can be especially helpful if you use blackout shades or curtains in your bedroom. We found that on several mornings the light feature actually gently woke us up before the alarm ever went off. But we enjoyed hearing peaceful sounds too soon after waking. While the Winshine doesn't have a vast content library or sound machine capabilities like the Hatch, it does have a straightforward sunset lighting program and a reading light with a warm yellow glow and 3 dimmable settings, perfect for creating a soothing bedtime routine. Number 5. Mosito Digital Alarm Clock. The Mosito Digital Wooden Alarm Clock is like having secret tech on your nightstand, because unlike other digital alarm clocks in this list, the Mosito is wooden. The digital clock screen is dimmable to 0%, making it a chic, modern piece of decor when not in use. This is also perfect for minimalists because the bonus charging station doesn't require an extra cord on your nightstand. Simply set your phone on top of the wooden block for easy wireless charging. Though we noticed that the charge is not as powerful or fast as a traditional corded phone charger, what did impress us is how fast and easy it is to set up this clock. The instructions are simple and well laid out, and it took us less than 2 minutes to set up time, alarm, and volume. There are options to turn the alarm on or off and on Monday through Friday, but there are no other customizations beyond that. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make you life much more easier.